Green, yellow and black, what's going on? Welcome back to another wonderful episode of Montego Baby's Jamaican Cuisine. Today what we are featuring is one of my all-time favorite dishes. You know what I'm talking about? Some Escovitch fish. Straight up, and you know we are dealing with some bami. Straight. Yeah man, so that one is going to be nice. Not going to be too long still, but try cut it and keep it short as best as possible. But you know, I hope you guys enjoy. But before we get into it, I just want to let you guys know, please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell, right? Alright, so check with me and I'll show you what's going on. Alright, so see what we have going here. We have two nice red snapper fish right here. Decent size, already scaled, gutted and cleaned. Cut off all them little excess parts that we want to need, we can hurt you, you know what I mean? And then right here we have a bami. Now the way me do my bami still, me soak it in some milk and a little bit of sugar. You know what I mean? So right now I used about 1 cup of milk and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. I sweeten that by itself, and then I pour it and put it in a little container and make it go and soak on your bami. You see me I deal with me, I have about 2 bami in here right now. Okay? So you make that one soak. You can do it probably about 30-45 minutes. Try to flip it in between, you know, 10 minutes. You just kind of flip, and then you know, make it stay flat so the you know, the milk can kind of soak in. And I'm ready for fry it now. It'll be so nice, man. See? Alright, so right now we'll do I get the fish going. So fish already clean and everything. So all we'll do to this thing right now, we'll just kind of put two slices on the side. Kind of make it easier for when you're ready to fry. Alright? We'll do 2 little slices on each side. Or 1 little slice on each side, if you say. Just like that. Just open them up a little bit. That way when the fish start fry, you can get all the way in, you know what I mean? Alright, so we will season it with right here. We have about 2 teaspoons of salt. We have 1 teaspoon of onion and garlic powder. And we have 1 teaspoon of black pepper. So we'll just season that right about now. Make sure you get it in every little nook and cranny. Alright. Go on, kind of season this on the inside. Not to be too fancy with this, you know what I mean? Just do the best you can. Make sure it's the salt and basically you're seasoning every little place where it's supposed to be. You know, you have some people who fry them fish and put flour and all type of thing on it, but with my fish, we fry it naked. Just because when we do the Escovitch sauce, you know, you don't want to taste all that flour taste pan vinegar, you know what I mean? So, and it's all about technique. You know, to each his own, everybody kind of have them one way in Jamaica how they do things, but for me, these are the best version right here. Season up this one here. Make sure you always wash your fish, you know what I mean? You can wash your fish in some water and some vinegar, or any type of citrus like some lime or some lemon. You know, to each his own, whichever way you want to, you know. Really, you don't really need too much for this thing right now. Like I said, it's going to be really quick. So I'll finish seasoning them up, then I'll bring them over and drop them in the oil. Stay tuned. Alright, so I will add right now. Now we have this pan about medium high, so now we'll add in with fish. And just to let you know, I did not add all the seasoning in the fish, so you know, just season it, you know, very well, and then whatever left over, you know what I mean, you can use it for another time. So I'll drop them in right now. Red. Be very careful, you know, when the oil hot. Just like that. Alright, so since the oil very hot, what I do, I run this for about, probably about maybe 8 to 10 minutes each side. And then we will see what I go on. You see? So fry each side about 8 to 10 minutes. And you kind of look and see where you're at. But fish not really take too long to fry still, as long as your oil is hot and you open it up a certain way, So we kind of take a look, and if we need to, give it any more time, we'll make you know what's going on. Alright, so while that a bubble, we will do a get with Escovitch sauce going that way, can go on, marinate and feel happy. So let me get that going. Alright, so we have a little mini dutchie ready to go. So we are doing now, I give Escovitch sauce going, right? So we turn up the stove a little bit above medium, not too high. Then we'll add the vinegar in first. Then add about a cup of vinegar. I really need too much of this, because I already have some made in my fridge, kind of sealed off in a little container, so whenever you need it, you can use it. But just for the purpose of showing you guys how to do this thing, I make a little bit for the fish. Alright, so we have about, let me see, a cup of vinegar right here. Now we're really adding everything right now, but I'll kind of show you what we have. So we have about a quarter onion. We will kind of cut it in rings. We have about a quarter onion there. We have about a teaspoon of allspice. We have a half of a carrot. Cut up julienne style long way. Half of a carrot there. And then of course you have to have your habanero pepper. Or I'll just call it scotch bonnet pepper. Yeah, you see it? So we'll cut up some of this inside of that too. And then we'll add about a teaspoon of salt in the vinegar right now. 1 teaspoon of salt for that. Right? Make that kind of get hot. Once it start, bubble a little bit, then we can add in the rest of the things then, you see? Give me a second, make it start bubbling. Alright, so with vinegar things start to boil up now, so we'll add in with onion. Add in with pimento or allspice. Add in your carrot. You don't have to worry if you cook these things all the way out, you know what I mean? You just want it to absorb the flavor. So really and truly, when I really cook this for too long, just for a little while, I probably make it boil for maybe about probably every 4 or 5 minutes at the most for medium. You don't want it too high, you know what I mean? Every 4 minutes I'll make it go on bubble. If you make more still, you will kind of have more sauce. Normally I make a decent portion, so I can put some away. That way it's easier whenever I fry fish and I need to get my Escovitch sauce. I just grab it in the fridge because this thing can last a while, you know what I mean? Vinegar kind of keep it preserved. Right? Alright, so we kind of loosen that up inside there. And now we'll add a little piece of pepper. I get my knife ready. Now we have put up a little piece of pepper. If you really want to add a lot of pepper, you don't have to. But I'll probably add a few little pieces. I want it a little spicy. Okay? Add about 3 pieces. Alright? Make that go on simmer. So I'm going to make this run for about, like I said, 4 or 5 minutes. And then lock him off and make him go on soak. Alright? Straight. Alright, so Escovitch sauce is off. And now we'll try to pull the fish right about now. I'll probably flip it over. We give it 10 minutes each side. And then the final fry, I'll give the final side about 1 minute. We kind of Make sure so it's well crispy, you know. And like I say, everything is on medium high right about now. And I use a cast iron pan. Kind of keep the heat even. You know, for the oil, I use some canola oil. But really, whatever oil you like, you can use. And I did 1 final minute on the last side. And then I pull this. And then we'll do with bami. This thing is well cooked right now. Looking beautiful and nice. Have a nice little nice skin. Yeah. Alright, so everything kind of come together really beautiful now. I'm gonna just pull off this thing here right now. Look ready to go, see it? I'm gonna drain off your oil a little bit. Make sure so you keep him comfy. Then slip him out. Alright. Take care right like a little baby. Drain off your oil. You know, normally people put paper towel and anything there under this, but I think they will kind of make it soggy, so just kind of drain it off and then you put it one side to make it go and drain in a plate by itself, yeah? Alright, so the oil here, I kind of pull the oil. Make it go and get cool. Straight. Alright, so right here I have a non-stick pan. I go and get that hot. Then I'm going to put it all the way a little bit less than medium high. Right? Make that go and get warm. If you don't have a non-stick pan, you know, you can use a little bit of oil when you fry it. Or, you know what I mean? I don't really use butter still. I never really use butter when I fry my thing. But if I have a non-stick pan, I might use a little bit of oil to fry each side. But since I have the non-stick pan, I just transfer it straight from the thing it's been soaking in, right in the pan. And then normally I heat about probably about 4 minutes each side and kind of see how it looks. So this feel kind of warm right about now. Make it get, you know, hot as best as possible. Feel like it good. Alright. So now I'm kind of put in my bami. Yeah, that's hot. Alright. Trying to make this break apart. Try to hold it together as best as possible. Just drop it in there. Just like that, yeah? Alright, so now I make this one run here. I'm gonna give 4 minutes each side and then I kind of see how it looks. So I'm gonna show you what I want. I'm gonna show you the end result and show you how it looks when it's plated, and then we'll kind of dig in because I'm out of water. Straight. Just like that, food done and ready for eat. You see it? Escovitch fish looking beautiful. Everything well set, ready to eat. I'm ready for dig in. Now, I'm glad to see you guys join us again for another wonderful episode. And I really appreciate you guys tuning in. Really appreciate your likes, shares, and subscribes as well. So please remember to do those things. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you guys can see what's up. And you guys can be the first to see what's up. But you know, right now, like I said, I really like talk too long at the end. I really like kind of dig in and taste what's going on. Even though I already know say taste good, see and we're straight. But you know, from my home to yours, Mantico Baby, signing out. One love. Good too.